These types of animal reels are going viral nowadays all over the internet, especially on YouTube. This Faceless YouTube channel has gained over 300,000 subscribers in just a few months. Another YouTube channel has gained over 150,000 subscribers by uploading only a few videos. And yet another channel has gained over 600,000 subscribers by uploading similar videos. All of these channels are growing so fast and making thousands of dollars every month. So if you can make similar videos, you will definitely go viral and start making money. Let's check out some of their most viral videos. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create more engaging and high-quality videos with AI in just a few minutes. I'll also share some secrets that you must know to grow similar channels faster. So, let's get started. You can create these types of videos in two ways. The first way is to create everything manually. You have to use ChatGPT for script writing, Leonardo.AI or Midjourney for image generation, and CapCut or Premiere Pro for video editing. This is very time-consuming and requires professional skills, which most of you guys don't have, so I don't recommend this process. The second way is to use an all-in-one AI video creator that will create the video in just a few clicks. This way, you can actually automate the process and enjoy your YouTube automation business. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complete video using Vid.AI. This is a very advanced AI video creation tool created by Matt Parr from the Make Money Matt channel. Let me show you how it can create viral videos in just a few clicks. To access this website, click the link below this video or search for Vid.AI. Once you're there, you'll land on this page. Simply create an account using your Google account. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. This is the home page. Here you'll find your previous projects. If you're new to this website, this page will be empty. Now, if you click on New Project, you'll see these templates. Since we want to create faceless shorts, I'm going to select Faceless Short. In this box, we need to type in our project title. For instance, I'm going to pick a title from one of their viral videos. Let's select this one, Top 10 Strongest Animals in the World. I'll paste the title into this box. Next, in the prompt box, we need to type what we want in the video. This tool will create a script based on the prompt. I'm just pasting the same text, Top 10 Strongest Animals in the World. If you want to use your own script, you can go here and type the entire script yourself. Right now, I don't have a script, so I'll use this prompt to generate one. Here, you can also select the video duration. I'll leave it as it is, between 30 to 60 seconds. Next, we need to select our video narrator. You can check all the narrators to find the best one for your video. For instance, I'm going to select the one named Adam Stone. If you scroll down, you'll find options to select the style. I'm going to select Cinematic. If you want a more natural style, you can choose Natural. Once that's done, click on Generate Content. It will take a little time. As you can see, this AI tool has created a detailed script for the video and even generated visuals accordingly. You can easily edit every part of the script to make it more engaging. If you want to change any visual, you can click here and it will generate a new one. If you want to upload a custom image, click here to upload it from your computer. I'm going to leave it as it is. As you can see, the expected duration of the video is 40 to 60 seconds. Now let's click Next and move forward. This step will also take a little time to prepare the video. After that, you'll arrive at this page where we can select background music and edit subtitles. Let's select background music for the video. This one is a great choice for nature and animal videos, so I'll use it. To adjust the volume of the music, you can preview the video here.
Did you know some animals possess incredible strength? Let's explore the top 10 strongest animals in the world. First up is the mighty elephant, the largest land animal. Next,
if the music is too loud, you can decrease the volume from here. Now let me show you how to enhance your captions. If you want to display only one word at a time on the screen, you can select one word. I want to show multiple words, so I'll keep it as it is. Next, you can change the font style. I'll leave it as it is, but you can choose any font you like. If you want to add a background to the captions, select Background. You can also change the color. I'm going to select this color. Feel free to experiment with all the settings to adjust the captions as you like. Now let's preview the video.
Did you know some animals possess incredible strength? Let's explore
the result looks amazing. Finally, click here to get the final result. And here it is.
Let's explore the top 10 strongest animals in the world. First up is the mighty elephant, the largest land animal. Next we have the grizzly bear, a force of nature. The anaconda, the world's largest snake, is incredibly strong. The rhinoceros, with its thick skin and powerful horn, is formidable. Don't forget the gorilla, a symbol of strength and intelligence.
Just check out the engaging script, realistic voiceover, and visuals.
The hippo, surprisingly agile, is incredibly strong. Finally, the African wild dog, a pack hunter, showcases teamwork.
It's amazing. In the same way, you can produce a bunch of videos with just a few clicks. Now, you just need to create a fresh YouTube channel with a unique and easy-to-remember name. Then, upload videos with attractive titles. Here's a pro tip. If you want to grow faster, make sure to use trending music from the YouTube library.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma.
You can find all the trending music when uploading shorts from the YouTube mobile app. This is one of the most important strategies to go viral. If you check their viral videos, you'll notice that all the big channels use trending music, which helps them get more views and go viral. By the way, this is a paid tool. If you have some budget and want to take YouTube automation as a serious business, this tool will be very helpful and save you hours of time. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to like this video to support us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.